Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very beautiful and very attractive Diwali special greeting card. So this is a easel card using the glitter foam sheet decoration. And this is really very easy to create, and I have added this handwritten sentiment. So let's get started. For this we need rounder, some multicolored glitter foam sheets, liquid glue, scissor, yellow color thick sheet, half cut pearls and some ball chains. First I am taking this yellow sheet which measures 13 by 26 centimeters, and I am taking my rounder and using the 6 centimeters radius I am creating one circle in the bottom. Here I am using 300 GSM thick sheet to create this card. So the circle has been drawn. Now fold little portion of the circle from the top like this. Now I will cut this circle using my scissor. Remember, you need to cut both the sheets together. So the basic card is ready. Now just open the card and fold the top portion exactly from the middle like this. So this will work like a easel base, and exactly I have created one more circle using the same radius using same paper. So now I will connect this circle on top of this folded part. So the base of the card is ready. Now I have already cut some glitter foam sheets in Diya shape or lamp shape. You can create any size of your choice or any shape. Even you can create small lantern or any kind of cracker to decorate your card. So it's all up to you. The star shape will also look great. Now I am adhering all the pieces one by one. Like this. Now I will decorate this lamp using some half cut pearls, some ball chains and some mirrors. like this. Now in this empty portion I am adding some sequences. These sequences from Dress My Craft. You can also add small size pearls or stones, anything of your choice. Even you can add 3-dimensional drops, pearl drops or 3D outliner drops, anything which is easily available near you. Now I am creating some small tiny dots here and there using my red color gel pen. Now to hold the easel portion, I am adding this Happy Diwali sentiment on gold color foam glitter piece. And adding this piece on the base of our card so that you can tuck the easel portion easily, like this. Allow it to dry for some time. In the meanwhile, I am decorating the base using the same red gel pen, using some random designs. So the beautiful and very easy to create last minute Diwali card is ready. Isn't it very sparkly and beautiful? So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Happy Diwali. Bye.